we have the St. Louis Science Center here, and they are just the people that you have to be around because they think about everyone, including on weekends where they have Sensory Sundays. We're going to delve more into it with the VP of Community Engagement, Miss Lamera Warren. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes,
Great day.
good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Well, why do you think it's important for the St. Louis Science Center to do something like this for the community?
So our mission is to inspire everyone to be curious and engaged in science.
Yes.
And so when thinking about including everyone, that means that everyone needs to have a rewarding experience. And so that's from opening the doors and making our doors accessible because we're free, your Science Center is free, but also making sure that the experience is inclusive of the needs of everyone. And so that's not more of providing accommodations, but it's a responsibility. So what we do is we want everyone from birth to earth to feel like they belong to their Science Center. So we provide Sensory Sundays as a way to provide a sensory-friendly experience. We also have our Culture City bags every day that have different items in that to make sure it's an inclusive sensory experience. We have things for mobility assistance, so strollers, wheelchairs, motorized carts, scooters. We also have our AuraCast and our new planetarium. It's the first in the metro area. It's AuraCast hearing assisted system. We also have in our OmniMax. We also have hearing assisted system. So there's a little bit of everything for everyone from birth to earth, and depending on your abilities and your needs, we're there for you.
I really like how you keep mentioning birth to earth.
Birth to earth.
I love that. That is so inclusive. Now, when we talk about some different adjustments that you guys have been making, you have now extended some hours on Wednesdays?
Yes, yes. So now we're open 6 days a week, hopefully one day, 7 days a week. But this also allows for greater access so that Wednesdays becomes another day that you can plan, whether you're a teacher, an individual, plan a family reunion, an organization, summer camp, field trip, school trip. We're there to increase access. And this gives us a chance to truly touch more individuals by being open one more day to provide hands-on engaging experiences.
So has the Sensory Sundays started, and how long are we able to experience this?
So right now the Sensory Sundays are for the weekend, for the summer. We extend those in the fall, and we look through what the needs of our individuals are. But again, like I said, the Culture City bags are there every day to provide inclusive sensory experiences based on your sensory needs. And so we want to, again, listen to our community and be able to provide the things that our community needs. And we know that Sensory Sundays are a big hit.
Yeah. Now, if there's someone who's listening and they're thinking, is this something that's right for me on Sunday? Who do you think this would be perfect for?
It's perfect for someone who may not like all of the hustle and bustle of the sounds or the smells. It just depends on what your sensory needs are. So it's a Science Center in a little bit more of a quiet, sensory-friendly form, but it's still all of the engaging and curiosity that a Science Center can bring. It's just that it meets the needs of those with a little sensitivity to sensory, whether it's smell, whether it's sounds, whether it's a lot of people being around, but it's really for everyone because I think it's important for everyone to be able to see what it's like at the Science Center at all forms of our days, whether that's a heightened day where we have lots of visitors or we have lots of visitors and the sounds are muted.
Oh my goodness. You guys, Sensory Sundays, it is happening throughout the rest of the summer. Be sure to head to the website for more information and on the times because they're now 6 days a week.
Yes.
So you guys head to the website again. Sensory Sundays, it's happening from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. And again, they are open on Wednesdays, longer hours as well. Thanks so much for coming on the show today. Of course, keep it here, Studio STL. We'll be right back.